Hi everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a consistent AI characters with Dzine AI's character sheet feature. Let's get started. First, head over to Dzine AI and log in to your account. If you don't have, create a new account. And on your dashboard, find the character sheet tool and click on it. This feature is specifically designed to help you generate different poses, expressions, and angles at the same time with the same character while maintaining the unique look and style. Then here you can upload an initial character image or use a text prompt to describe your character. You can include the details like the hair color, the outfit style, accessories, mood, and the background story. Then choose a character sheet options. These include the different angles, various facial expressions, and body poses. You can pick how many versions you'd like to generate on one sheet. Then hit generate. Wait for a few moments, and the Dzine AI will create a beautiful, clean character sheet with consistent AI character in different views and mood. It's perfect for storyboarding, animation, or concept design. And that's it. Now you know how to quickly generate a professional, consistent AI characters for your project using Dzine AI's character sheet feature. Super fun, incredible, useful for artists, writers, and more. Try it out now. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.